Hello, you amazing people out there. I am DJ Sheath, and today we're going to be doing another Halo Reach video. But today we are here with the crew, Alpal and Hank.
Look at Obi-Wan KLL.
So if you guys want to say hi, you guys can do that.
Hey, you know, it's an honor to be with you. You're a close associate of mine for many years now.
Yep.
Is this a live stream or?
Nah.
Oh man.
No, but we're back in the same game that we were in before.
Oh, we are?
Look at it. It's Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Let's go. Guys, we are here with the Star Wars fanatic Obi-Wan Kenobi.
And of course the Illuminati.
And Sniper Bob.
Yeah, Sniper Bob, can't forget that. Oh, Plush G Gamer. Dude, it's Plush G Gamer. Not Plush Gamer, Plush G Gamer. Okay guys, so here we have a technique. It's called someone right on top of the Wraith technique.
Where'd our Wraith go?
Cash has it. Get out. I said get out. Get him out.
Hey, there's guys coming to capture our flag already.
Ouch. That hurt. And I'm dead.
Hank, let's go. Oh, come pick me up.
No. Thane and you drive that warthog.
No, Thane's in a ghost, aren't you?
No, I
Thane.
died.
Get in the
Oh.
warthog.
Thane.
We're gonna come pick you up, Thane.
Dude,
Oh, shoot, hold on.
I'm dead. Someone Sniper Bob.
Hey, just so you snap.
Sniper Bob sniped.
Wait. I don't know. No. Sniper Bob got sniped. Okay.
Thane,
What?
back here.
Hi.
Behind here.
Wait. Hello. Whoops.
Let's go get the flag, Thane. Whoa.
Let me get in turret. Okay, let's go.
We're gonna go get the flag.
Yeah. Because we're cool kids.
Okay, Henry.
Revenant.
Be a fucking jerk.
Ghost, not Ghost. Wraith, go around.
God, Henry, learn how to fucking drive.
Okay, I think they spotted us.
I don't think he did.
There's
Oh,
a
fuck,
Revenant
he's
right
on.
here.
Alright, Thane. Oh, AFK. Boom, sure. Go, Thane, go. I'm
Go.
gonna defend you.
Go.
Hank's got him, Hank's got him.
I'm in. I got flag.
Oh, fudge, the Wraith is coming, though. No! Hank, you're gonna have to pick him up.
No, go back. Wait, no, go front.
Henry, no!
Someone help! Where are you guys?
Somebody help me!
Someone
Come
help
on.
me!
Just go out one way, Thane. Thane, there's a guy coming in.
Yeah, I know.
Well, thank God we have a really supportive fucking Wraith that's sitting back here, can't even defend her own base.
Hi.
Hey dude, why don't you go out there and fight, you little coward? Hank, it is my mission.
Whoa, come on! He killed me
Hey,
with
buddy.
his assault rifle.
Boy, you
Guys,
suck.
we were close. It's the effort that counts. Oh, no, give me the sniper. I hate you. Plush G Gamer. You can't even get your name right. Like, come on.
Thane, they may doubt us. Just because of our wimpy little vehicle.
Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are.
There's like 5 of them just sitting behind their base. What?
Go.
Now I'm over here, just died. They might doubt us.
Alright,
They may doubt us, boys. Okay, guys, Warthog coming in. Oh!
Warthog coming in.
Six tricks.
Tracks! Oh! Grenade. They're not gonna catch me.
In and out.
In and out. Dodge and weave. Ouch.
Oh.
Right, the skirting around real quick, Thane.
I'm dead. I'm already dead.
I better get the fudge out here with their only fucking vehicle.
Yeah, guys, gotta leave.
Well, I wish our Wraith was fucking productive. Why don't you get out there, you failure, huh? You like that? You like that?
Dividend king. Take it easy.
You like that, you stupid little Wraith? Yeah, that's what I thought.
What if I just, park this Warthog on top of the, yeah. and do that.
We got gold here.
Yeah, he's ready to get fudged, though.
Okay, guys, our warthog is on top of the flag.
Whoa.
Are you kidding me?
We
Hey,
went.
well, they made Java's
What?
name, but I got a mongoose.
Oh, so do I.
Yo, hurry up, I don't care.
Guys, don't worry. The
Oh,
warthog
God, he's not gonna-
warthog is still on top of the flag.
Well, that's good.
That's the only thing that matters.
Oh,
Hi.
fuck.
Hank,
Can't
wait
stop
up,
it.
Hank.
Hank, where you going, though?
Oh,
There's
grabbing the
fucking
ring.
feet
Duh.
that's sitting on the-
Hey, let
Hey,
me
watch
in.
out.
Let me in. Let me in.
Go, Hank. Go right into that.
Why did I try getting on? It's a trap.
What, dude, there's no fudging way that would kill me. Dude, I've been hit by cars in real life harder than that they even make me.
Okay, we have a warthog coming in at 3 o'clock or something.
Oh,
Yeah,
I have no
right,
idea.
A nice suicide thing.
This is some great commentary right now.
What? You
Oh.
can't even thwart him. Everyone just shoot him with their DMRs. Make me. When he spawns, just light up
they
the
took our
red.
flag.
They took our flag through the
I had
thingamabobber.
a trail.
Oh,
What?
this guy really sucks. Just kidding.
There you
Go
go.
get him, Hank. You got him. Nice job.
What?
Wait, where's their flag?
I think it's.
Aha. Dude, my
What?
sniping
He
skills are
backs
on
up into
par.
me and you die. You die way too quick from
Dang it!
vehicles on this game.
Sniper Bob sniped me, guys.
I don't get how that kills them, even though I hit them full speed, and the guys are one more hit.
They have our flag.
I don't like that, you stupid revenant. You like you fucking pelted full of bullets. Who the fuck is shooting me? There's no one even over there. Uh-oh, that could be bad. Good grenade.
Oh, there we go. That was funny.
Oh, darn it. I thought the active camo would have worked. Okay, guys, they have... Oh! he just got
Correct,
denied. Dude.
What is this? That gun is so OP'd.
Guys,
Oh!
Sit
No,
the
no,
lights down, mate.
nope, we just gotta dodge and weave. Dodge and weave. Oh, come on, I just wanted the Revenant.
Yeah, it was cool, but you don't need to fucking yell like a mob. It's not that fucking cool.
I think they're trying to get our Revenant. Don't worry,
Hey,
guys.
we got another
I got it.
Oh.
Mine.
We can get some good push here.
Alright, let's go. Hold on. Someone come pick me up. I don't know why my respawn time is fucking 30 seconds. Over here, come get me. Idiots fucking running.
Yeah.
An assist? You're kidding. There's a lot of guys over here. So
There's a guy in our base, and he has our flag. He went out back. Or not. Oh, okay. Where is he?
Thank you. Let a fucking ghost kill you.
Yeah, like
Suck.
3 other guys.
Is he just gonna sit there with both of our flags?
How many? That's so.
Do they have our flag?
Yeah,
Where are
he's just
they?
sitting in our base. Did I just...
He's just trying to get credit to that.
No, he's waiting for a getaway ride, which is right there.
I
It
got the
is-
Revenant stuck. Okay, there we go.
It's a warthog.
Okay, where is he? Where are you at?
Light him up, Dane. He's in there.
Jesus. Got
Get
him.
wrecked.
Okay,
Yeah,
we're
I'll
gonna
bring
blow
the
that thing
warthog.
up.
Oh god, we're getting sniped at.
Yeah, because that's all they call me. Snipe. Alright. Yeah. Get
What?
ghost.
Wait, guys, we gotta reset this flag first.
Yeah, hold on, Hank.
That's the first priority.
First priority. Reset.
Let's go, let's go. They're gonna stay here and reset it. Let's go.
Alright, Dane, let's go.
Vroom, vroom.
Leave that guy. Leave him. Leave him.
Leave
Leave him.
him.
Let's go, rack up. Go, rack
Go,
up.
Rack.
Oh,
Ah.
guys, there's guy in with me.
You're gonna have to get out.
Oh,
How did I die?
All right, go.
Tag 1998.
They stole our flag. Seriously,
That's
how
not
did
how you
our
play
guys let
tag.
that fucking
Guys.
Our DMR is so OP. Don't let me die.
Wait, where are they? Oh, guys,
in
get
there.
get our wraith. We should probably get that.
Hey, you get the ring if you want.
No.
Alright.
There's a revenant right over here. He's running away.
Hey, there's not running.
Now what is this
Hey,
guy
he's right
doing?
here. Our teammate's in there.
Idiot! No!
Hey, get him.
Shooting him out when they hit the flag. The revenant is. Alex, hit the
What?
Hey, our flag is still on right there. Let's go get their flag now, Hank. Oh, go get the wraith. Go get the wraith. That could win us the game. Go! Go, Henry. Run! Go,
Guys,
Henry!
I'm just trying to reset our flag.
Henry, you
Actually,
fucking
no, I have
messed
a
this
wraith. I don't know what I'm doing.
Hey, we got the other raid thing.
up.
Okay.
Fudging go.
Just keep that one.
Okay, guys, they're trying to take our flag like right
Sniper
now.
bomb going
They have our
down.
flag. Not anymore though. I'm donezo, guys. Ripping pepperonis.
Okay, so I'm not even shooting, I guess.
Whoops, sorry,
Hey,
Hank.
Trick.
Oh, I got a kill on him.
I don't even fudging know. People can be like standing still, and if I run into them and they're in a vehicle, I die. But I hit them full speed, and they go
Just
flying
trucking all
100
these
feet
guys.
up in the air, and they don't
Okay,
even
guys,
die.
I have a ghost. We're going with the ghost technique.
Hey, our flag got reset.
Yeah. it
It
did.
kills me sometimes.
Okay, their whole team is literally right here.
Yeah, they're all in that mob.
Okay, he
spot.
stuck me.
Uh-oh, they're coming. They're coming for the... There's a whole bunch
Alex,
of them.
Alex, the guy behind the
flag.
rock.
There's only one
Alex,
back.
guy behind the rock. Like, right
Hey, the
here.
wraith is so
There's a
close.
guy.
Light some more.
There's a guy right here.
Sorry, kitty.
They don't have anywhere to get away on. They blew up the thing. Oh, they're getting away on that mongoose though, but it's blown up. So, a few more shots.
Where are they?
Let's
They're behind
grab
the
this
base.
shotgun real quick. We're going in.
They're so stupid.
Everyone just lagged really bad.
Oh my
yeah,
God,
I was gonna say, it was like,
New host.
just keep walking in.
Why, Kitty? Are you so fucking...
Obi-Wan kill no. Oh, they.
Kill newbie? I don't know.
Obi-Wan kill no.
Nobi?
No, not no-buy. No-buy.
Sniper, Bob.
Sniper Bob, why'd you leave us? Purple Demon.
Zilla.
Dusk.
K-47. What
Dude.
a savage name.
Upright Honey.
Zilla Killer is for 47. Ah, well, okay.
Guys,
yeah.
get a wraith, get wraith, get wraith.
Did all the everything respawned? I think, didn't it?
Yeah.
So there's a revenant.
Alex,
Okay,
grab
they have a
wraith.
revenant protecting our revenant. So don't let anyone see our revenant.
Hold on.
Be careful not to blow up ours.
Well, I'm too fudging. Oh god.
Oh, cool.
And there we go.
They're gonna reset again.
Well, I'm lagging so
There's gonna be
bad.
so many vehicles.
No, they're not gonna reset.
Yeah.
If you have one, there can only be 2 of each vehicle on the map. So laggy right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I
See, but look at Plush G Gamer. Dude, look at my shot. It is on point. Okay, boys, we're grabbing the ghost.
I'll go get the revenant. You...
See that? Oh, thing, you almost did the same
Hey,
thing.
he's going after a revenant.
No, I got the Revenant.
No, there's
Yeah?
a guy in the revenant.
Why?
Oh, see the two things. Sorry. There's a couple guys in the base, I think.
How did one Wraith Bolt kill me? Someone please explain this to me. I hit him.
Explain, please.
Explain
Wait,
this.
is that our Wraith or theirs?
No. When
Oh,
I
that's
negotiate-
their Wraith. Hi.
Good fudge. That's my fucking kill. Oh my god.
Come on, kill this Wraith. Brrrr. He got out. Smart.
Hey, they got the flag. He's running out.
Wait, where's he at? Oh, I see him, I see him,
He's
see him,
right,
see
He's in
him.
the back. He's in the back.
I see him.
I'm getting
Go on, then.
sniped.
He's coming back in.
Oh, okay, yeah,
There's like
no.
3 open raids.
Guys,
Like,
I
2
stopped
open-
him.
They're both broken.
They're both down over there.
Yes, they're both dead.
Okay, there's a guy
Because
in our base,
there
but
are,
he's not
like,
really doing
75
anything.
open raids.
Bill.
Oh, he stuck me. Guys,
Right. He still runs.
guys, the
What?
flag, he's in our base. Our Revenant is outside the base.
Yeah, I'd like to see him. Hey, is there anyone in the base? I was gonna start shooting. Oh, there's a guy.
Yeah, I don't think our team's in the base. Yeah, they have one guy in the base. Let's just blow up our Revenant quick.
There's a guy coming out of Mongoose.
Hi.
This thing cannot turn at all. It's
I just got... Wait. Oh, yeah, shotgun. That's why. Are we gonna go into the OT or just stay 0?
We might. We have to go get their flag, though.
No, Grin, what are you doing? Come back here. Do we have any vehicles at all?
I got a rev. I mean,
Okay, most of our vehicles.
we got a ghost.
Okay, boys.
What happened to all our warthogs?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Where's that guy at? Where'd that guy go? In our base? Oh, there he is. He's still in our base. I got sniped, of course.
Is he the one killing everyone in the base, or is that someone else?
I don't know.
Okay, Grin. Let's go get this fudging thing. Let's go, buddy.
Okay, they have a guy coming in. Got him.
Oh, well. We
Oh,
lost
guys,
all
Warthog.
2.5 fudging seconds.
Guys, we have
30 seconds.
0.5 seconds. Let's go. Bro, we're going. Fudging sniper. I hate him. He's sniping me and it hurts.
What? They're making a break for it.
Where? I don't see him.
Okay, they're down. Okay, we have time. Let's go, Hank.
I know, I'm just...
Thane.
I'm carrying Grin.
Okay, let's go. Thane, go meet him. Because Hank's gonna
There's
get
a
there.
revenant.
Hank's gonna get there, and there's gonna be 2 getaway vehicles.
No! My Warthog!
Been an honor servant.
Oh, what
Yeah,
the fuck?
vehicle.
Drain,
that guy-
get in!
That guy's
No!
got-
No! No! Come on, guys! We got this! Let's go, Drain! You got him! No! No!
I just look behind you and there's a mongoose flying over. The hill just...
Okay, we won that. Good job, team. That's a big W for us.
Yeah. Oh.
And thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, and goodbye.